Welcome to the walkthrough of Notion Endurance Athlete HQ, your all-in-one system to reach new personal bests in your endurance journey. In this video, I'll show you how to get the most out of each section. So let's dive straight in. On the left, you'll find quick action buttons to easily log new activities and entries on the go. Just below that is the navigation menu, giving you access to every section of the template. Over on the right, the top section displays your most recent activities from the past 7 days, followed by a view of all the sports you like to track or perform. Back on the left, under the navigation, you'll see the goals you're currently working toward as an athlete. Next to that is a list of your upcoming events, whether you're interested or already registered. Below the goals, there is your pinned reports section, a space to keep important reports always in view, and to the right of that, an activity calendar to visualize when you trained. The first page of the template is the activities page. At the top, you'll see an overview of all your past sessions, along with grouped views by week, month, or sport. Below that, a weekly and monthly calendar shows exactly when you trained. Inside each activity, there's a detailed input section where you can log metrics like distance, pace, heart rate, and more, all of which update across the template. You can also link the equipment you used and tag a goal you're working toward through that activity. Next is the sports page, where all your tracked sports are grouped in one place. Inside each sport, you can see how many activities, equipment pieces, events, maps, or goals are linked to it. You'll also get a full activity history for that sport, including a calendar view. Below that, there's a list of upcoming events you've saved for that specific sport, and a section to store your route maps, all neatly organized. Now let's take a look at the equipments page, your space to manage all the gear you use across your sports. You can view, sort, and filter equipment by specific stats. And below, there's a section for older gear you've retired but want to keep on record. Each equipment entry stores details like category, status, purchase info, condition, recommended usage limits, total miles or hours logged, and even a replacement countdown. You'll also see a full list and calendar view of activities where the equipment was used. Next is the events section, where you'll find an overview of all your upcoming events across every sport, as well as a separate section for completed ones. A calendar view helps you track event dates, and additional breakdowns let you see events by sport, personal records, and registration status. Inside each event, you can add key info like date, distance, location, elevation, and start time. After completing it, log details like your finish time, pace, heart rate, and ranking. You can also link related activities to see how you trained for that event. Now let's check out the Maps page, a place to store all your favorite routes. You can group them by sport, usage frequency, difficulty level, or terrain type. Inside each map, you can add location and distance info, attach a GPX or map file, and view all activities you've done on that route with a list or calendar view. Next is the Goals page, a clear overview of everything you're working toward. At the top, your goals are sorted into table views based on their current status. Below that, a timeline shows when you've taken action, and at the bottom, goals are grouped by sport, difficulty, or type for deeper insight. Inside each goal, you can set the difficulty, status, and type, define start, deadline, and completion dates, add notes for extra context, and view all linked activities to track your progress in detail. And finally, we have the Reports page. At the top, you'll see your pinned reports, just like on the main page. Below that are all your saved reports, along with an archive for older ones. To create a report, simply choose the sport or multiple sports it covers, then link the relevant activities. The report will automatically calculate totals for activity count, distance, duration, and elevation gain, giving you a clear snapshot of your performance. And that's a wrap on the full walkthrough of the Notion Endurance Athlete HQ. If you want to start using this template yourself, you'll find the link down in the description. Make sure to hit subscribe for more Notion setups, productivity hacks, and deep dives like this one. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next video.